That's issue of the fair power, where it has reached when this fair will take place.
So the fair will happen on the promenade. Okay, from the 14th, we've given them an extension. So for 5 days, it will happen on the promenade, same like last time also. So this term, we are limiting the amount of stalls also. Last time, we had gone all the way up till Kala Academy. Now we have told them to limit it only till the health. So we are reducing the amount of stalls also. We don't want to cause extra inconvenience to the people of
कितले स्टॉल दिले तुम्ही?
So as of now, I'll give you proper details on the amount of stalls now that admin section is handling all of that. It will be a limited amount of.
पण आता गर्दी
has come up with a statement whether this fair would be for traditional Goans or for migrants or whom it is.
So now the traditional fair has happened at the Panaji thing. Now as all of you all know, now the CCP also is in need of revenue. Now outstanding itself is around some 35 crores. Now we have recently been sending bills and everything to all of the businesses. But unfortunately now we also have our expenses that we need to, we have salaries that we need to cater to, there are development works that we need to do, and for that we need revenue. That is also like one of the factors behind it.
So कितने days असतले तुमचे stall?
5 days.
5 days.
So every time there is an issue regarding the stalls, how do you look at
So this time we are going to be extremely strict also. Like as you have seen outside CCP also, there are people who are waiting for their form. Now we have told the police and our people also, the moment there is any issue also, we are cancelling the fair immediately. Now these people also have to learn. We understand the fact that everyone has to do business and everything. Cognizant of that. So now you cannot create an issue also and have work outside the corporation building. So we have instructed them, the moment there is any issue also, we will cancel the fair directly. So now everything is in order, there is nobody creating an issue.
How is the work going on as far as smart city is concerned? And will it get over by time, on time schedule?
See now, I had said earlier that March was going to be the thing. Now March 31st, certain aspects of the projects will be completed. So now what we are doing also is now we are sitting with all of the smart city officials. And what we are planning on doing is at least twice a week we are going to have regular meetings. At the beginning of the week we are going to have meetings regarding all the work that is to be done up till say Friday of that particular week. On Friday we will have the second review meeting assessing the progress of all the things. And if there is any shortfall, we are giving them the weekend to complete the thing.
Okay, मेरा एक suggestion दिले की जे one ways असा ते cancel करते because खूपचे roads block झाले असा.
Now again, so we already had a meeting now with all of the officials. Now traffic also was there. So now whatever issues now, for example, they have blocked certain roads only for storage of materials. We have asked them to open up those roads at least for things. Now Smart City will have a separate press conference with all their technical people on board addressing all of the questions that the people have to do. For example, why the roads have been closed. Now what we have instructed them to do also is now you have seen that they have put up their barricades everywhere. Now we have told them that today or tomorrow they will show me the artwork. We have instructed them to basically now on every single work that is being done, they will keep the number of their PRO, their personal rep for the company, will be plastered on the board. According to 2 members of the Smart City who are doing the coordination work between the government and the contractors. Now I believe everybody in Panjim should know who actually to get in touch with now. If there is an issue with the contractor, then the timelines will be printed on all of these boards. So for example, if there is a certain stretch that is supposed to be completed by March, now March will be the estimated thing on the board. We will give the numbers of all the contractors. The owners of the companies also will be listing on the thing. So let everyone now, the contractors also know it is high time. All of them need to speed up their work. Even I am also a voter for Panaji. I am also very irritated with the place of work. Now we are hoping now with all of this, with the regular feedback that we are getting from the contractors, now they should.
रोहित क्रिसमस येता, न्यू इयर येता, क्राउड वाढता, टुरिस्ट खूप येता पणजे. So ते congestion कशे tackle करतात?
That is what I'm saying. So now traffic police also, we are having separate meetings with the traffic police. Now they will be a part of all our regular meetings with Smart City. Now they also are there to address all of the issues. So now traffic congestion all is the purview of the traffic department.
But
how the traffic will manage
work is going on. Now you go to any other city also. Bombay, the metro has been going on for 5 years now. Now everyone understands that we have sewage lines and water lines that have been there from the 60s. It's a Portuguese time. What do you want us to do? Not do any of the work? Because people are
7 years past now. Rohit, this is 7th year.
is one side you all are doing the work.
It will commence and when we get over.
very asset. 14 till 5 days ago.
No, one side you all are doing the work, but one side there are a number of festivals taking place every after 2 days. So how would you take care?
That's what I'm saying.
You are facing the
Exactly. Yeah. So I understand that. Now we cannot stop everything now because there is work around the city also. That is not fair. Now there are businesses also in the city now that benefit from all of these. So we have to take everyone into consideration. See, we have to do the planning part now. All of that is falling onto us. Now we have to do a better job at what we are doing. So just give us some time for this.
रोहित अबंडन्स व्हेहिकल असा पळय लोकांनी पार्क केल्ली जे काडटले तुम्ही
That we will instruct traffic police to take care of.
तर अनेक इश्यू असा की जो एवरी टाइम तोच प्रॉब्लम आसा कसिनो कडल्यान सांजच्या टायमार पळयत जाल्यार चडशे ट्रॅफिक जाल्ले आसता 2 वेज का पार्क केल्ले आसता तेजेर कांय एक्शन घेयना CCTV फाटल्या दिसांनी घेताले परत बंद पडले परत ट्रॅफिक आसा तसो हे जाता
See now there is a new traffic PI who has come. We are expecting good things. So he is also very active. CCTV also has bought towing machines for bikes in order to give to the police. Now because of the PM visit that has gotten a little delayed because a lot of traffic police were busy then. But we are from today onwards we are going to be extremely strict on it.
Another issue is that some of the Panjim concerned environmentalists and all, they had raised some issue opposite ESG. What is that exactly? Are you aware?
Yeah, so now that is basically so now that Promenade was a project that was one of the first projects that was implemented. It was stalled for so now that is a bridge that's basically, we had a meeting with like a lot of these bicyclists and everything like that. So a lot of cyclists were very popular. So now they had expressed concern to I think somebody from city. And what they want is like a continuous track. Not only them, but it will be so what that bridge is. It serves as a connecting between that Promenade part and this promenade. So you get one continuous loop for around say 5-6 kilometers.
Okay.
So it's meant to be a walking track, like a cycling track. Like
It's not a jetty for casinos or something, another board or something.
I would be a jetty.
Mayor, today Tara Kirkar has taken the press conference and she alleged that this is become the smart corruption. How you will react on it?
Smart city papers are available for everyone to see. I don't know why. See, everyone accuses now without having proof. It is easy to accuse. Has anyone presented any proof at all up till this point? Nobody. No. So then, all of it is available under RTI. There is no issue. You all want to check yourselves also. Everyone is doing this for publicity is not my problem. I cannot do anything about it. We are very open about our things. If you want to check our paper, check our paper. What is it?
रोहित बाब ते म्हणलं पाहिजे ESTची ऑपोजिट कॉन्क्रिटायझेशन चालू असं नाला ब्लॉकिंग करून ते
So now that also was, so now even I had expressed concerns to the smart city people. So now that part comes under the Santanis Nalla aspect of the smart city project. So now WRD is doing a study for it and the desilting, if anything has to be done, falls under the scope of that Santanis Nalla thing. So if there's any issue, WRD will handle that. But we also have a thing and once those issues are sorted.
तुमचे त्याचे काय यांना काय म्हणतात
No, that's what I'm saying. So that is part of that study, is part of WRD's scope of work. So now they also will take everything into consideration.
Okay.
Rohit, there is the parking issue every year where in the Panjim. Will the people will get a relief for these 7 months?
No, as of now we cannot. See, COVID was a thing that there was a different issue entirely. Now we will. Now, as per the terms of our contract, also it is not impossible. Everyone is saying it's possible to waive, but nobody is looking at legally how to waive it. Now, if we decide to waive and the contractor takes us to court, then what do we do? That also is an issue people have to do. See, it is very easy to promise, and everyone who is promising was not capable of delivering also. That burden falls onto us. Now, we also look at it legally whether it is within our purview